India, a country with a rapidly growing economy, has seen a significant rise in high-tech industries. These industries play a crucial role in shaping the future of India's economic development. Firstly, high-tech industries contribute significantly to the country's gross domestic product, creating jobs and generating revenue. Secondly, these industries provide innovative solutions to various sectors, improving efficiency and productivity. Moreover, the presence of high-tech industries promotes research and development, fostering technological advancements in the country. Additionally, these industries attract foreign direct investment, bringing in capital and expertise to Indian markets. Furthermore, high-tech industries help in reducing India's dependence on imports by creating indigenously developed products and services. They also contribute to skill development, as they require a highly skilled workforce capable of working with advanced technologies. Moreover, the presence of high-tech industries encourages entrepreneurship and innovation, inspiring young minds to pursue their ideas. Furthermore, these industries contribute to the growth of a robust ecosystem of suppliers, manufacturers, and service providers. Lastly, high-tech industries enhance India's global competitiveness, positioning the country as a prominent player in the global market.